Hey guys, Liz here from the Nail Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to use Light Elegance P Plus Gel Polish. This is P Plus Gel Polish Color Gel, and these are just amazing bottles that give you a lot of information right in the packaging itself. I'll give you a quick little tour around the bottle so that you guys can see the newest packaging from Light Elegance. On the bottom of the bottle, you're going to have some important manufacturing dates as well as expiration dates. In general, Light Elegance products last for upwards of 7 to 10 years, and that is due to the amazing formulation that they use for their gels. You'll also have the color name as well as the barcode, which is also the SKU number. So if you're trying to find a particular color, or if you want to use any of this information for creating swatches or organization in your salon or in your arsenal of product, that's a great place to start. The ingredients are always listed on Light Elegance products, which I much appreciate. All P Plus gel polish colors are not only HEMA monomer free, but they're cruelty free and vegan. And they take HEMA free one step further than the typical brand, which is they are not just HEMA free, they are free of a lot of the typical monomers, acrylates, methacrylates that have been known to cause allergies. So these products are going to be really great for people that are sensitive to the allergy conversation or are already suffering from nail allergies. One other cool feature about the gel polish packaging from P Plus is that each bottle has an actual real dollop of product cured in the cap. So if you have these lined up in your drawer, whether they are color gels or glitter gels, you're going to easily be able to see what color you're reaching for. And this, instead of it being a sticker or a digital representation, this is the real color that's cured inside of these color caps. Inside the bottle, there's a premium oval brush, which is really nice because our nails are not square rectangles. They usually have some curves to them. So this oval brush is really great for applying product smoothly as well as getting into those curved areas. And the viscosity of P Plus gel polish is very lovely. It's nice and self-leveling, it's not super watery, it's nice and silky, and the pigmentation factor is just amazing. Now, after you've prepped your nail plate and applied P Plus Cutie base coat, you can go in with your P Plus color. If you didn't catch my Cutie base coat video, I'll link it here in the video. To apply P Plus gel color, you're going to take your brush out of the bottle, scraping off on one side so that you have a nice amount of product on one side of your brush. You're going to apply this color right on to the sticky surface of Cutie base. And I like to start about 2/3 of the way up the nail so that I can assess how much product I have on my brush and also address any drips that might be coming down from the brush stem. Then once you have some product on the nail, you can use that nice oval brush shape to push right up to the cuticle area and then pull down towards the free edge. I like to call this the bulldozing technique, where you put a little bit of the product in front of your brush and just use that nice rounded brush shape to get the perfect product application. Your first coat of gel polish, you want to keep it a little bit translucent just so that you get the proper cure. You're going to cure this in a lamp for 60 seconds. And the reason why I say 60 seconds is that is the latest data supporting that you're going to get the best polymerization rate on the first exposure in your lamp. Once you've cured your first layer, you can go back in with one more coat. Again, we're going to pull the brush out while scraping off on one side, getting a clean brush on one side and a little bit of product on the other. Then I'm going to come back in 2/3 of the way up the nail. I like to paint the bottom 2/3 first, just to get a nice wet layer for everything to self-level. And then I can go up closer to the cuticle. On the second layer, you can go a little bit closer to the skin if you'd like to, just to get a nice clean application. And as I showed in my previous video, you can either cap the free edge by just touching the end of the nail, or you can turn your brush around, pushing a little bit of product up to that free edge, just to make contact with it, pulling back, and then you can smooth out the surface on top. And that's a great technique for extra short nails. And the reason why we actually cap the free edge is because all gel shrinks a little bit, especially since it's a product going from a liquid to a solid. So by actually having a little bit of product here on the free edge, it's going to kind of shrink wrap around the edge of that nail and prevent shrinking and pulling away, which is going to expose that free edge nail plate. Check your application from sidewall to sidewall to make sure you don't have any product touching the skin. And if you do, you can always use a cuticle pusher to scrape off whatever product might be attached. You can also use a Light Elegance number 6 brush to go around any areas where you need to perfect your color application. I love using a dry gel brush like this because I can swoop around the cuticle area and remove any product from an area that I don't want. After you've checked the nail from sidewall to sidewall and cuticle to free edge, you're ready to cure. The nail will be sticky after curing each layer due to the inhibition layer, but that's okay because we're going to cover that with your preferred top coat from the P+ line. Inhibition layers are a normal occurrence that happens with most gels. That is a layer of uncured product that is inhibited from curing due to oxygen in the environment. It will actually cure upon covering it with the next layer of product, so you don't need to cleanse any inhibition layers until your final layer of product, like your top coat. P+ gel polish lasts for several weeks when properly applied and can be soaked off easily with acetone. If you're looking to get certified to use this product, you can do so by taking my level 1 course at thenailhub.com. Want to take your nail experience to the next level? Check out my premium nail education platform, thenailhub.tv. Think of it as your ad-free Netflix for nails, where I deep dive into how to improve your nail skills as well as help you troubleshoot your issues with customized member-requested videos. You get curated nail education that helps you go beyond just product-specific knowledge and master your craft. All levels are welcome. Light Elegance honestly has been a brand that has been a huge part of my professional success. Hundreds of colors to choose from, all made here right in the United States by a company and a family that actually care about ingredients. And I know that you guys are gonna love P+ once you get your hands on it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.